Hey guys, welcome to Gyan Provider. How you all doing? I hope everyone is safe. Now let's begin today's video. Today I will teach you how to insert a cell, a row, a column and a sheet in MS Excel. Let's begin with how to insert a cell. Like for example, there's two ways. First, simply go to home, then go to cells here, then insert cell, insert sheet row, column, and you can add any sheet between. Again, new sheet you can add. Like now begin with how to insert a single cell. Like for example, I want to add in between these two cell, right? Now select one cell, go to insert, then insert cell. You can either add a cell downward or right side, no left side. Like it will shift towards right. Okay, and if you want to add in between two cell like name and science, now select science and go to insert and insert cell, select right. Now what it will do, it will uh, create a new cell between name and science. It is first method number one, and method number two is just select a cell, click right, go to insert, the same screen will open up. Now second thing, how to insert a row. Just select any row you want to add, then again you have to go to cell, insert cell, row. It will shift downward. And if you want to add between Gaurav and Mohit, select which row you want to add. Like I have selected Mohit. Now go to insert sheet rows. It will create a new row between Gaurav and Mohit. And again you want to, method number two is same. Select row, right click and go to insert. The same will happen. Number three is how to add a column between these two column. A new column is in between. The same procedure we will follow. Go to home, then cells, insert column. It will shift towards right the whole column. If you want to add in between two column, just select any column, go to insert, then entire column. It will shift the entire column. New column is created. If you want to add a sheet, then go to cells, method number one, insert sheet. It will you display new sheet. So this is basic from basic. If you like my video, please like, comment and share. Thank you guys. Have a